Hi guys, it's Dave here from Car Crackers. Welcome back. You join me in the Car Crackers headquarters, which has been cunningly disguised as the interior of a Renault Twingo. It's because it is the interior of a Renault Twingo. But anyway, yeah, what I've actually done is just a quick introductory video of a Ferrari FXX 599XX and an FXX K going up the Goodwood Festival of Speed hill climb. Just, oh god, the noise they make is incredible. You just walk away hunched over. But anyway, no, sorry. But yeah, if you haven't heard one of these cars, you've got to hear it in real life. I've heard it low revs at sort of Goodwood like this, but no, the noise is incredible. I can't imagine what it would be like at a racing track, hearing them go past flat out. Oh, just incredible. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.
This is 599. We haven't had captions for these guys, but maybe Bruce will shed some light on it at the end of the batch.
These are some of the most amazing ones.
We don't have a LaFerrari, do we, in the field? There aren't many of them in existence, so I'm not particularly surprised. No, don't know if there was one in the Supercar run. I don't remember seeing one, but yeah, they are incredibly rare.